Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PicWish app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down here. You click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here. So then here you will looking for PicWish app here, or just click on search. Then here at PicWish it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, you just click on storage, come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.